Hi. Welcome to the How-To tutorial of molding window in Inspire Mold. Let's start by importing the model into Inspire Mold. Define the material and temperature of the molding part. Set the correct mold opening direction. Create or designate a gate. Configure minimum and maximum values of 3 major parameters. Run the quick analysis and analyze the effect. The molding window tool analyzes your model and shows optimal temperatures for the mold and material as well as optimal fill time for the molding process. You can adjust one parameter at a time to see how different settings in that parameter affect the optimal settings for the other parameters.